Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa out of tomatoes. Start by dicing ripe tomatoes and draining excess juice to avoid a watery salsa. Add finely chopped onion, cilantro, 1 jalapeno for heat, and the juice of 1 lime. Season with 1 tsp salt and a pinch of sugar if needed. Stir gently, taste, and adjust acidity or heat until the balance feels bright and fresh. For a quick raw salsa, combine chopped tomatoes, onion, cilantro, lime, and salt, then rest for 10 minutes to meld flavors. To make a cooked salsa, sauté onion and pepper, add tomatoes, and simmer until slightly reduced for richer taste. If you prefer a smoky note, roast tomatoes and peppers until charred, then blend coarsely. Always finish with fresh lime and salt to brighten the final dish. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts through kitchen shifts and snack runs. I pop them on when I'm prepping salsa, and they stay cozy no matter how long I'm standing. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust texture by pulsing in a blender for chunky salsa or blending longer for smoothness, and taste as you go. Let cooked salsa cool slightly before sealing to avoid condensation that dilutes flavor. Refrigerate in an airtight container and plan to eat it within 4 to 5 days for peak freshness. Reheat gently if desired, then add a squeeze of fresh lime to revive brightness before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.